What's up, guys? Back with you guys. Today we're doing Ratchet and Clank. Hold on, let me see the title again. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart State of Play for PS5. I am so freaking hyped for this game. Now, I do have a gaming channel. Link in the description. I'll leave it down there for you guys to see. So, I have a gaming channel. But the thing is that I haven't played a single Ratchet and Clank game. But I am going to eventually because I want to play the first one before the second one for this comes out. So, I'm hyped. I hope you guys are too. Let's go ahead and let's dive on in. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and let's dive on in. Ooh. Whoa, let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on. What kind of robot is this? Oh, it's her. Oh, snap. Oh, took down the whole wall, man.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
Oh, snap.
No.
Oh. Dang. Did he take Clank? Oh. Okay.
I'm Marcus Smith, creative director of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, a brand new full-length Ratchet and Clank adventure built from the ground up for the PlayStation 5 console. Today we're going to introduce you to some of the gameplay, characters, and arsenal of Rift Apart.
Sir.
Whether you've played every game since Ratchet and Clank's debut, or you're brand new to the series, Rift Apart is a standalone adventure that you won't want to miss.
Okay.
Let's get into it.
Oh, here's Ratchet.
Clank? Clank?
Dang. Oh, so this leads off from the last
Comebacks?
trailer
What is
when
this
they got
place?
separated. Ooh, give me some more gameplay.
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Dang. This game is so lit, man.
Ratchet has been separated from his best friend and partner Clank, and is now in a new dimension in a mysterious urban sprawl called Nefarious City.
Dang. Oh, okay. Little air tricks. This looks lit, though. Yo, I gotta play the first one for my gaming channel. I got to, man. I have to, man. Ooh, where they going? Ooh.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Ratchet quickly finds out that in this dimension, Dr. Nefarious is a much more capable villain.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now?
Dang.
Clank first.
This
Nefarious
goes
later.
deeper in the story than I
Maybe he's
thought
in
it
his
would.
bazaar.
Thanks to the new hardware, the worlds in Rift Apart are more beautiful than ever. Cities are full of life with traffic and civilians milling about everywhere.
Okay.
Rift Apart is full of the unexpected. Characters in this new dimension are not always the same as they were in Ratchet and Clank's dimension. Ratchet comes across Miss Zircon, the weapon vendor in Rift Apart.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in.
What? This creepy
Miss
robot?
Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
This espionage.
Release the hostage.
Yo, this robot's freaking me out. Oh, there she goes. Here.
Clank has been taken by a mysterious new
Oh, there
Lombax
she go. Go
named
get
River.
her.
Clank!
Go get her. What are you standing for? Go.
No.
Why are you just
I need to
standing
go
there?
after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
Club Nefarious shouldn't be hard to miss. Better look around.
Alright, so where are we going? We're going right here, where are we going? Ooh, can we fight some enemies? I want to see some combat going on. I know we're exploring right now a little bit, but I kind of want to see a little bit of combat.
Dr. Nefarious?
Like,
So
get
that
the robots.
sounds like a club, all right.
Hey. Yo, this place would keep me out. Like, literally.
Come on, Phantom, where are you?
Once Ratchet finds Phantom, he learns a couple of new moves.
This game was active. You kind of see what I'm saying. God, I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot, y'all. I'm trying to really observe, like, what's happening. Oh, we get the fight now? Oh, there we go. Give me some combat, please. What? There we go.
One of the focal points of gameplay in Rift Apart is increased mobility. Ratchet can now dash and wall run to traverse levels.
Oh, he just swung
This focus
like
on
Spider-Man.
mobility
Y'all
allows
see that?
players to chain moves together
Look,
to create
this man's
exhilarating
swinging.
combat.
Titanium in your pockets to protect your
Oh, let's go.
Now let's jump into combat.
The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Dang.
Looks easy enough.
This isn't punishment.
Oh, there you go. Get him.
Dashing
Show
allows
us
you to
up.
evade attacks or gain strategic advantages. Enemies can't hit what doesn't momentarily
Good,
exist.
yeah. Can't stand a chance. Look at it. All over. Gone.
Dimensional
Oh,
tears in the
what's that?
world allow you to use the Rift Tether, another new traversal mechanic to instantly pull yourself across battlefields to escape or flank enemies.
Okay.
Weapons in Rift Apart utilize the power of the DualSense
that's-
wireless
that's-
controllers,
oh, that's
adaptive
so
triggers,
cool,
and
man.
haptic feedback to allow players
my
to really
God.
feel the power of their arsenal. For example, with the burst pistol, players can pull back the trigger partway to peck out accurately placed single shots.
Dang.
But pulling the trigger fully unleashes a rapid-fire spread that covers more
Oh,
area.
I'm gonna need that.
In
I
either
want
case,
rapid
players
fire.
will feel
I
each
wanna
shot
hold my
burst
finger
from the
on the
weapon
trigger
and
the whole
connect
time.
with
I
him.
want rapid fire.
With the Enforcer, players can pull the trigger down halfway to fire a single barrel, reducing time between reloads. Or pull the trigger fully and unleash both barrels with a devastating close-range attack. Thanks to the haptics, the player will feel the power of their
love
shots
it.
through their hands.
I love it. It's gonna be fun. I'm addicted already.
Let's move ahead a little bit.
Dang.
As Ratchet attempts to follow Rivet and Clank, he encounters a nefarious juggernaut.
Line is a density claw.
Where did you even come from?
Dang. That's that quick laser, huh?
Stand still.
Woo! There you go. Oh, shoot. Hit him again. Woo! Sit him down. Sit him down.
Wait for impact from back.
Oh,
During this fight, more dimensional chaos ensues.
oh, come on.
Thanks to the power of the SSD, we can near instantly teleport players to completely different locations.
What?
This isn't some small arena being loaded, but the entire
So
level
he just
from a
went to a
different
whole
planet.
nother planet? Did Ratchet just teleport to a whole another planet just like that? Like instant?
Let's jump over and see what's going on with Rivet and Clank. As you may have guessed, Rivet is a brand new playable character in the series.
Yeah.
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Oh, so we get to play as her too. Oh, okay. So we get to play as what? Her name is Rivet again? Okay, we get to play as her now.
Rift Apart includes several alternate dimension versions of classic planets from past games.
Oh my god. I hope we get something we can do like co-op play with her and Ratchet. That would honestly be fun.
Did we mention how stunning and alive our worlds are? Thanks to the power of the PS5 and the 3D audio, we've been able to create alien planets with an immersive density like never before.
Nice.
Let's check it out.
Speedos, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Back to Ms. Zircon, the weapons vendor.
Whoa. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Dang.
Okay.
In Rift Apart, you get to play with an explosive new arsenal,
Okay.
as well as a few returning classics.
Okay.
You will be missed,
Yeah,
sweet
okay.
thing.
Yo.
Here's another
this
example of
is
how we're
so
using the DualSense.
cool.
With the Topiary Sprinkler, players will feel resistance in the trigger as they prepare a throw of this garden grenade. Once on the ground and spitting out its rapid growth plant fertilizer, players will also feel when enemies have been topiaried and are ready to be trimmed down.
Ooh. I don't know, the way she's shooting, it don't look as accurate as how Ratchet was doing, but it's pretty cool. Now, do they both shoot the same way, or does she have like different
It
kind of
appears
like
some
things
dimensional
going on with the
distortion
way
is
she does it?
emanating from that cave.
Okay.
In addition to rift tethering and dimensional shifts, there are also many pocket dimensions scattered throughout the game.
And the last Speedo runs into that rift thingy.
Oh,
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
So it blocks you off, basically. Oh, so at some point
right,
when you
smarty
go
bot.
somewhere, the
What is this
rifts
place?
not only can they teleport you somewhere else, but they can
a
also
dimensional
block you off
pocket?
in certain areas.
Perhaps a
That's
symptom of the
smart.
Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff?
Dang, she can. Wow.
Hey, it's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
Dang.
No, don't hide!
This game looks
Hitting
fun,
its
though,
nest
low-key,
might get
man.
its
This
attention.
is like a really fun game to play.
Well, hello there.
Oh, she rides that thing just like how Ratchet did.
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the
Oh,
Mortis.
shoot, okay. So it's kind of like they're polar, like, they're like the same, basically. It's kind of like they're both the same. Wait a second. It's kind of like they're both the same. It's like, really. Ooh.
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard. Let's find the Morts.
Dang.
Riding Speedles is one way of traversing Sargasso's acid swamps, and to do so quickly.
Excuse me.
Look out!
I got it.
Do you? Because it looks like they're about to
Sometimes I
fall
don't
off.
Stop.
Yeah.
There's the gelatonium
Yes,
factory.
sir.
Coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some
Who is this?
fuzzballs.
This
So you got like
alligator?
9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Or is it a crocodile?
Hang on there
I think
now.
it might be a crocodile.
If you watched our previous
There's
gameplay
people on the
demo,
outside
you may
of the
recognize the
mountain.
Goons
Not
for
on the
Less.
inside.
This rebranded gang has been hired by Dr. Nefarious to attack Ratchet and Clank, and are now also trapped in Rivet's dimension. Here's another new weapon. The Shatter Bomb is a frag-type
Y'all
grenade
keep
that deals a
giving me
lot
this
of damage
stuff,
to your
man.
foes. With haptic feedback, each explosion feels incredibly impactful.
You can find
That's
that
pretty
Lombax. from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Oh, so they both have different endings? Ooh, so this is gonna be fun. Basically, I see what happened here. It's gonna be much of a challenge. He went to her dimension, and she went to his dimension. Now she has to deal with his bad guys, and he has to deal with hers. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun.
Freaking hard!
Woo! Let's go, man! This is lit! Oh my gosh! Hey!
This is just a small taste of some of the early gameplay in Rift Apart.
Oh, I'm ready.
But there is so much more.
Oh, I'm ready!
We have open areas to explore. Dimensional clank puzzles.
Clank levels?
Glitch challenges.
Oh, you got clank levels?
Arena challenges. Aerial combat.
Hey.
Gold bolts to collect.
Bro,
Pocket dimensions
Why?
to explore. Armor to obtain and use in the first
so
ever
now we got
Ratchet and Clank
armor.
photo
Okay.
mode.
Okay. The photo. I love how every game has a photo mode. That makes
And giving
so
more
much
people
lit,
access to
man.
playing our games is always important to us. As such, Rift Apart will offer a slew of accessibility options. We'll reveal more about this soon. Experience Rift Apart's new planets, weapons, intense high-action combat, and near instant load times,
Dang.
all with some of the best visuals we've ever created.
Okay.
How about that, huh?
This is gonna be lit.
Resistance sweep!
These rifts are getting out of hand.
On behalf of all of us at Insomniac Games, thank you for watching.
Yes.
We'll see
man,
you in the
let's get
Omniverse
it,
on
dude.
June 11th.
Oh. Lit. Available June 11th. Lit. I will definitely be buying. I will definitely be playing. It's going right on my channel. This game is lit. I'm definitely gonna play the first one as well. Play the first one, finish the second one. This is gonna be lit. I am so excited for this game. I hope you guys are too. I'm the guy for you guys today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys next time.